Saurabh is a dear friend, and since the inception of this store, he's been asking me to come and see the space with him, and I've been neglecting him thoroughly for the past 3 months odd. And now I know why he was so excited. It's a magical space. It's got tons of character. It's got oodles of charm. And products have always been good, but the way Vaishali's done up the store has brought out probably the best in each product. And her accessorizing touches are outstanding. I had a good session of chatting with her about it. And I find that her talent has also shown very beautifully in this store. Products, as always, from FCML have been top of the line. But there are some new additions which I wasn't privy to earlier. And with Saurabh, I've always been just looking at catalogs. And he lugs everything to our office, and it's always on the iPad or always on the computer. So it's actually my first time in an FCML store. And it's a place I'd like to come to with my clients, and I can see myself completing design selections and modules for my projects much faster. So it's in that sense, I'm quite happy to have a space available like this. Yeah. I'm sorry, but to me, Saurabh has always been FCML. So he embodies the brand, and it comes with a very healthy feeling of being a strong, guarantee-proof kind of brand, which inspires some confidence in most designers and clients. So it's easy to deal with FCML. You know you're in good hands. So it has that effect on me. No, probably in the country, they've hit the nail on the head as far as stylized bathrooms are concerned. I mean, they've taken bathrooms into experience rooms. They've glorified that space to a level where it actually should be. So the bath space doesn't feel like a bath space only. It's a space that you want to go to, instead of just a space that you have to go to. I've seen some other products in the back there whose names I can't really remember right now. I've seen all of the stuff today. There's the Devon and Devon displays were very nice. But per se, the Jessie is a strong brand in this showroom, and it's also my favorite, so I'm a little bit biased towards Jessie. If you want your project to look good easily, you choose FCML. I think they're very professional. They provide the presentation up to after sales in a very professionalized manner. Every segment of their service is absolutely on the ball. There's no errors. They don't make any mistake on their follow-up calls, from the presentation onwards up to delivery. It's always bang on time. They help us a lot when we need cost-effective solutions as well. So it's easy to deal with them, basically.